I know it's probably the softest thing that I will ever say, but I really like you. I really do. And I know that I'm me and but I wish it was me and you. Yeah. How's that for a pickup line? Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yep. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. If it's same no, be I'm same shit. The same old things with the same click. And when I finally decide I need to change this, I will feel the same and even gonna say shit. But this time, I feel like it's supposed to be. I'm alright, why would you say no to me? And if you ever wish I will let you exposed to freaks, so I can eat that booty like groceries. I done got this day to nothing but a trouble. Baby, you should know that I could give a full bundle. Jokes, sex, movies, kisses, bust some extra colors. Maybe we could even be the next new pop a couple Jay-Z, Beyonce, Erica, and Andre, and into Robin, but we're crying at Barney. I can guarantee that this one go to town. We should just let me help you make your mind, babe. Baby, I can try to help you find your wings. After that, you spread them out, fly with me. We can do whatever, that's fine with me. Cause you're the only side that I wanna see. And I know that I'm the one who needs saving, but it goes both ways. It's like we're sharing in twins, so just close your eyes and then count to 3, cause you can count on me. Yeah. It's all good. Like we don't have to push anything. I mean, we can just chill. And I'm not even talking Netflix and chill. Like, we could illegally download movies and stuff, you know? As an option too. Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yup. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. I need you to save me. I need you to save me. Cause all I want is you. Nobody else will do. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. I feel so brand new. I hope you feel it too. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. Let's make it me and you. Let's make it me and you. I know it's probably the softest thing that I will ever say, but I really like you. I really do. And I know that I'm me and but I wish it was me and you. Yeah. How's that for a pickup line? Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yup. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. If it's same no, be I'm same shit. the same old things with the same click. And when I finally decide I need to change this, I will feel the same, ain't even gonna say shit. But this time, I feel like it's supposed to be. I'm alright, why would you say no to me? And if you ever wish I will let you're exposed to freak, so I can eat that booty like groceries. Yeah. Other guys think they ain't nothing but a trouble. Baby, you should know that I could give a full bundle. Jokes, sex, movies, kisses, bust some extra cuddles. Maybe we could even be the next new pop. A couple Jay-Z, Beyonce, Erica and Andre, and into Robin, but we Klein and Bonnie. I can guarantee that this one go to town. So just let me help you make your mind, babe. Baby, I can try to help you find your wings. After that, you spread them out, fly with me. We can do whatever, that's fine with me. Cause you're the only side that I wanna see. And I know that I'm the one